Standing in tonight's Victory Lane is Pickett Salvage, hobby stock winner. Didn't take him long to find Victory Lane. Third night out, Solomon Bennett. Great run out there tonight, bud.
Thank you.
Tell us about that.
It was a long night. I actually broke a gear in hot laps. Had to get that changed. Ran second in my heat race. Broke a lower ball joint. Had to change that. So it was a long night. Worth it to be right here.
You said you kind of did some other racing and before, maybe some figure eight, some old derbies and stuff, but stepped into a hobby stock this year, and, well, you're taking a pretty good liking to it. This thing's been fast each night we've seen you.
It's been fast. It's old Chad Laguerre car. I got to thank him. He got me into this car. It's fast, for sure.
Who do you want to thank for the win? Some sponsors, good-looking car there.
I got to thank Supreme Race Stables. They got me the gear so I could race tonight, and after I broke it in hot laps. Bennett Backhoe, Rogers Law Firm, Lakeshore Dental, all of them. Central Iowa Machine, big sponsor. They all got me here tonight.
Well, Solomon, congratulations. Hey, we'll do this again another time. How's that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Tonight's hobby stock winner, Solomon Bennett in the 11B.